Our average investor, I would say they're 47 to 55. Most of the investors might have had a rental property or two, but certainly not as on the alternative side that they should have been in their younger years. But nevertheless, they've got like $1.5 million, $2 million by this time. They're really busy. They've got kids that are not quite out to college. This is also another reason why we don't have too many people ages 32 to 40, because that's when their kids are super young and you just can't do anything, let alone do something different off the beaten path. If you take a look at the coaching calls, they're able to save $50,000 to $100,000 at the very least. Let's just say 120, 150,000. Ideally, then you're able to go into a deal or two a year. And then the idea is you space this out, right? One of my safety rules is that you never want to invest more than 5% of your net worth into any one deal. You also want to spread this out over 4 to 7 years, just in case you're unlucky and you jump on the deals in 2021, 2022 at the peak of the market. We now know in hindsight, you want a dollar cost average. From a tax standpoint, you're going to have capital gains and depreciation recapture happen. And if you stagger your investments, you're obviously going to be accumulating a lot of these losses to offset these gains. From a tax standpoint, it makes it where you don't have these big undulations. I talk about in the book of this concept of passive loss Nirvana. Maybe when you get a few hundred, $500,000 of suspended passive losses that you have built up, things can sell for a huge gain and you're going to absorb that in the same year. And then when you reinvest the money, it'll keep going up from there. But also from a bandwidth standpoint, I think if you joined the Family Office Ohana group, you would have a lot of deal flow, quality deal flow. Anybody can just sign up for a bunch of email lists out there. But to pick a good one can be difficult. It becomes very easy at that point. You know where to go. Then you're able to cherry pick one every other quarter. Every quarter is the idea.